Hello and welcome. I'm Miss Carly.
I'm Miss Silvana.
And we are so excited to introduce our summer reading program Grab and Go STEAM Activity Kits.
Thanks to our friends from the Buckeye Public Library to providing the kits. And you can pick up those kits at either Downtown Library or the Coyote Branch Library, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m.
That's right. You can also pick them up on the Bookmobile. Make sure to check our website for our most current Bookmobile schedule. So each week we're going to have a themed activity, and you'll be able to earn points for completing the activity. And you'll get 15 points just for watching the video like this today. And the code is right here. It is Labyrinth Watch 1. And then if you complete the activity and email us a picture of the activity, you'll get an extra 25 points. And you can email that to library@buckeyeaz.gov.
This week's theme is exploration. And we're going to build a labyrinth today.
That's right. The definition of a labyrinth is an intricate network of pathways intended to confuse people, like a maze.
The supplies you will need from your grab and go kit, ping pong ball, and a straw.
All right, so how to make the maze? You can make it with things that you have around your house. So we used blocks, books, stuffed animals, crayons, toys, anything that you make. And the point is to have a beginning and an end, and you're going to make sure that it's wide enough to fit your ping pong ball, and then you're going to use your straw to blow the ping pong ball through the maze, starting at one end and finishing at the other end. My daughters and I made one at home. We used blocks to create it, and they had a lot of fun just designing it. That was the most fun that they liked. And then, why don't you show us how you do it, Silvana?
Yes, let's play, Miss Carly.
All right, give it a try.
Yes!
All right, good job. That was awesome.
Yes.
So once you made it through, if you think that was easy, you can try different challenges.
Yes.
You can try and do it faster. You can have a competition with your friend or your brother or sister.
Yep, we can race together and who's the faster one.
You can work together like we did. That was a lot of fun. When you finish, it's always good to reflect on what you learned.
It's good to ask open-ended questions.
That's right. So with today's activities, some of the questions you can reflect on include: what was the most difficult challenge in this activity? What would you have done differently to make it through the labyrinth faster or to add more of a challenge to it? What other objects could you use to build a labyrinth?
Those are great questions to reflect, Miss Carly. So now, let's see what you can create.
That's right, and remember to email us your pictures so you can earn those points. And if you need a kit, you can pick them up at either library or the Bookmobile. Now it's your turn to inspire, engage, and connect
as you
imagine your story.